kimchi pancake robot.
Pororo and Krong have come to hang out at Eddie's house.
Ta-da!
Oh, what's this?
Watch closely!
Wow, it's a pizza! Here we go! Wow, it's good!
You want to borrow the pizza robot? Okay, but you can't break it.
Just like that, it is now evening.
Krong, I can't believe you've been eating pizza all day! Oh, dear.
Oh my, there's nothing in the toilet.
Oh, what's that sound? Krong, let me get some sleep, please!
Morning has dawned.
La 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 la, la la la. Hi, guys. Huh?
It looks like Krong still hasn't been able to go to the bathroom.
Is there something wrong? I didn't sleep a wink last night because Krong couldn't go to the bathroom all night. Really? Are you okay, Krong? Ah, he's constipated because he ate too much greasy food. What should we do? It would be good to eat some kimchi. He doesn't want anything except for pizza. I have a good idea. Yummy, yummy, Cooking Princess Loopy. Yummy, yummy food and healthy recipes. Happy, happy Cooking Princess Loopy. What is today's dish? Ta-da! Try this, Krong. Let me try. No, it kind of tastes like kimchi. That is a kimchi pancake.
It looks like Krong needs to go to the bathroom. Finally, something has come out.
You did it, Krong! That's great! You want to return the robot?
Krong and friends are taking the pizza robot back to Eddie's house.
You should have eaten in moderation.
For the time being, we're going to give him kimchi pancakes.
Really? Then what if we do this?
The pizza robot has been transformed into a kimchi pancake robot.
Oh, it looks good! Let's try it. Krong, stop right there!
Krong really likes kimchi pancakes.